I'm Caitlin Fagan of whatsupfagans.com, and today I have another cleaning tutorial. This time it's my pair of jeans that got some wax on it, okay? Not my favorite. It's my daughter's birthday. Somehow the birthday cake, candle got on my pants. I don't remember exactly what happened, but it just dripped. So here we go. I asked some people how to get it off, and they suggested a hot iron. So we're gonna go ahead and see how that works. Okay, so for this cleaning tutorial, you're going to need a hot iron, an ironing board, and a thick piece of paper. Some people said use like a paper bag. Some said they put like a heavy paper with tissue paper underneath. I think just some heavy paper should hopefully work. We'll find out. But the idea is you want to heat up the wax and then transfer it to its surface. Instead of transferring it to another cloth, I'm going to try to transfer it to paper because I can just throw this out. My iron's already hot. I'm going to take my wax pants and I'm going to put my paper over top and I'm going to heat it up and see if this will do it. Make sure to move it around because you don't want to burn your pants. Alright, see if this will work. Oh, do you see that? Alright, it looks like there's still some left. So I'm going to try again with a different part of the paper and see if I can get a little more off. Still some spots there, so I'm going to have to get inventive, I guess. It might be one of those things where I have to just put it through a wash and kind of treat it before I do. As you can see, most of it's off. It doesn't look white anymore, but there's still some residue spots there. But you definitely don't feel it on the surface anymore. It definitely went into the paper. So I'm hoping that maybe if I put them in the wash, kind of pre-treat it a little bit with like some Fels Naphtha soap, that seems to work well with like grease stains or oil stains. This is a wax stain, which is a little different, but we'll see if that will work, and I'll show you the results when it's washed. Okay, so I pulled out my jeans from the wash. I did scrub them down with a bar of Fels Naphtha soap real quick before putting them in there, but you can see that there are no more residue spots and the wax is completely removed. So it totally worked. I was a little nervous, but totally did. So if you have wax on jeans or other things, try doing the iron with the paper method. It's definitely the method that was most recommended to me when I asked how to fix this in some groups of it, and so I would try it yourselves and hopefully it works great. Some other people just said to put ice cubes on it and scrape it off, but scraping off always kind of damages your fabric, so that's not the best way. Then other people said to freeze it and then scrape it off, which you could try that as well. Just stick your jeans or whatever item is you have wax on in the freezer maybe. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like cleaning tutorials like this and like learning how to clean all sorts of things around your house, because I do all sorts of stuff like that. And I'll see you next time. Bye.